I'm going to add another file, JS number file. I'm gonna call it while loops.js. Lesson 5 objective would be make while and do while loops applicable. First gonna be while loop. Next will be do while loop. That's it. While. Okay. So here we go. First of all, we need to declare some kind of variable. Variable x equals, let's say, 1. Then we go while condition logic. While x less or equal 10, we're gonna be typing something. Timely value is plus, we need to display this value, but do not forget we need to provide increment x plus plus. So it's gonna be 1 by 1. Okay, so this is the logic. Let's see how it works. Save. Execute it. Here it is. Timely value is 1. From 1 to 10. Clear. Now, let's do same with do. Do simply executes at least once. Do, first comes logic, and then you add while. But for do, we need to create another variable. Let's say y equals 1. So it's gonna be y, and it's gonna be y plus plus. So do, first you show at least from 1, then increment, meantime y less or equal 10. That's it. So let me check y. Okay, file, save. Let's execute to both loops. While loop, when you first you check condition and then you start execution, or do while loop when you at least execute statement once and then you go to the conditions. Here it is. This is for y. This is for x. Okay, let's apply it practically. Variable brand price would be equal, let's say, 35.75. So meantime, brand price less or equal, let's say 200, 250. We're gonna be typing brand stock price is next, brand price. We're gonna be displaying brand price and do not forget to change it. Brand price increment plus plus. No, actually no, it's not a good increment. Brand price plus, let's say, increment by, let's say, $30, let's say 85 cents. Okay, so first one. Also, I'd like to write something here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, while loop. Okay, here will be different one. Do while conditions, and while loop I would like to pre-conditions. Okay, so here will be brand, variable brand price. Okay, and here I'd like, but for do while I'd like to go for the decrement. Let's say I'm gonna create another variable here. Sale value. Sale value will be, let's say, 500. Sale value display. Sale value more or equal, let's say how low we want to go, $100, and sale value will be sale value minus, let's say, 50. Very simple one. We're gonna be decrementing $50 each time. Sale value is $sign. Let me check here. Brand stock value, brand price, simply speaking, brand price. I don't want to overcomplicate it. Okay, let's save our file. Let's see both of them. So here sale value 500. We're gonna start printing 500. Then each time minus 50 unless it's gonna be stopping at $100. Then this one. You know what? I'll start with $100. Okay. Here will be 500. Each time we're gonna be adding 50. Simply adding 50, opposite ways. File, save. Let me show both of them. Let's execute it. Here we go. While loop with preconditions. We started from 100. Each increment by $50, we went up to 500. An opposite way, do while loop conditions. We started from 500 and we went down to 100. Very good result, as expected. So now you know how to practically implement while and do while loop. The only difference is that while you set the condition first, and do you execute at least once, and then you check the conditions. That's it. See you in the next lectures.